Today, we're going to be building the Sideralis together. Hi there, I'm John on behalf of Second Dynasty. The Sideralis comes with a build guide, which is about 3 pages long, and we're going to be following it together. I'll show the steps as we do it. Now, we're going to be going a little faster, so why don't we begin with step 1. I kind of break the rules here, and I put the tiles in step 2, and then try to put it inside of the hole, which was a huge mistake, because it's very hard to get it in. In fact, I end up hammering it in by the end. There we go. Please follow the normal instructions instead of what I'm doing in this moment. Putting them in afterwards was a lot better, and in fact, by the 5th row, that's exactly what I did. Please avoid the pain and suffering on your wrists. Here I am doing it the right way now. Follow this way when you're building it. On step 3, we put our end cap in first, and this little green tool helps me to put the clip holes in a little easier. It's just a cube with the boolean of the supporting clip. And now we place this in. For the window, it's separated on me, but it worked out perfectly. I just put the first one in, then slid the little window piece in. Dynasty does not make airtight windows. In fact, I advertise them as air right in the Discord. On step 4, this friction fit insert is really fun, but make sure you dial in your settings. Mess with XY contour if it's not right. Then we put a few clips in, but not all, and again we snap it together. On step 5, further proof to follow the directions as written. Sliding in without the tiles is significantly easier, and then we just gotta put our little tiles in. The beds are based on a 0G of the International Space Station bed, which holds the person in place. I ran out of filament on the dark blue, but it turned out making it look like the inset was deeper, which I kinda like. On the toilet, here's just a neat little fact. There are 3 shells on the little back square piece if you look real carefully. I should really read my instructions that I had just made that day a little better, because I rush ahead and go to step 7, but I forgot to connect the 2 pieces together. So let's do the end cap. Be really careful when you put the turret ring in. The first time I did it, I accidentally snapped off a bunch of small pieces and had to reprint it. Here's where I realized my error and went back and clipped the 2 halves together. With that out of the way, we're going to resume at step 8 with the roof ones. I recommend using all the holes on these roofs because 2 clips is barely enough. And make sure you have the ladder wells aligned correctly. The RCS thrusters in step 9 look a little different than these. These were a prototype. I made them slightly less likely to break on those layer lines by bringing it a little closer. Just snap them in into the heavy side of the hole. On the solar panels, you'll need a flathead screwdriver. Make sure on that screw that you print it with the right tightness. It should hold in place when you rotate it and not be able to be pulled out. Finally, you can pick a stand. There's these little flat ones, and then there's these much taller ones, angled ones. I'll go with these. And we are done. Check it out. The Sideralis is available in our tribe for the month of August 2026. In September, it can be purchased at the link below. Oh, these little top holes are great for adding antenna. That's it.